Cardano's release of the Merry hard fork, which adds token functionality to the Cardano blockchain, is gaining just about the right amount of traction as expected. The Merry upgrade has unlocked the door for a flood of new entrants and users to Cardano. ADA, the platform's native currency, still has far to go, given it's still in the middle stages of its development process, with many much more essential milestones to cover, including the announcements of new tokens, NFTs, and the Goguen launch for smart contracts. However, we see the price of ADA falling away as it tests the $1 mark and performing not just quite as some would expect. So what happened, what's happening, and what will happen to the price of ADA going on forward? That's precisely what we're going to find out in this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, as I'll be leaving some useful links regarding how to trade on Binance, the best coin analysis tool out on the market, signing up to the Celsius network, and the Trezor wallet if you're interested. Hello once again and welcome to Crypto Lion, where we entertain and enlighten you on all types of cryptocurrency-related updates, thereby aiding you to better understand cryptocurrencies as we guide you towards the best ways to channel your funds and make more with your investments. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or a seasoned investor, whether you need to know when to hodl on the short term or looking for reasons to hodl on through the big dips and swings. Today we're going to be taking another look at the Merry hard fork upgrade, the price and trading of ADA, and more. If you're new to this channel, we post interesting and helpful crypto videos every day, so subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell to turn on post notifications on this channel so you never miss a video from Crypto Lion. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment box below. We post every day, so always make sure to check out our page, same time, every day, if you wish to gain first-hand knowledge on the events and trends in the crypto world. I guarantee that you'll find some value in all of these videos. Cardano's ADA price prediction could see the market cap for ADA match Ethereum's current market capitalization. In this video, we're going to be explaining some Cardano news today and the current price of ADA on the market chart. So let's get into what the price move of ADA is telling us at the moment. Coming to the price move of ADA as we speak, over the past few weeks, we've actually seen the price of ADA fluctuate between the $1 mark to well over $1.20, as it continues to move between the third and fourth spot on CoinMarketCap. They're about jostling with the US dollar Tether, Binance Coin, and Polkadot for its place at number 3 in the crypto market cap ranking, eventually consolidating its position as the third most renowned cryptocurrency of this day and age. Quite an incredible feat that was made possible all thanks to the launch of its Merry hard fork. ADA is currently trading at $1.17 as it registers a 4.38% increase over the last 24 hours. If you're new to Cardano and wondering why this crypto is the third largest in the game, here's a quick recap, and why so many investors are bullish on Cardano. Cardano is the main project of a company named IOHK, but the primary focus is its founder, Charles Hoskinson. Basically because of his ceaseless interactions online with daily and even weekly live streams and posts. So if you really want to know more about Cardano, please don't hesitate to follow him. I'm going to leave links to his social pages in the description section, so be sure to check that out. Charles' openness and access to unrestricted information regarding Cardano is one of the reasons the ADA-powered blockchain ecosystem has an almost cult-like community online. Charles was a founding member of Ethereum, so parallels are naturally drawn. However, Cardano is of the newer generation, with a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, and is being built in stages from the ground up, and just recently released its Merry hard fork upgrade, which allows for token issuance on the Cardano network. Hence, other cryptocurrencies can be built with Cardano as the base, and thereafter comes the Goguen mainnet that will allow for smart contract integration, and the very phase to introduce a radical change for Cardano. This smart contract functionality will also allow for DeFi lending applications and much more. Yes, Cardano was built after Ethereum, therefore it carries with it all of the benefits of hindsight, not least of which is the importance of an inexpensive network fee and the ability to process more transactions per second. You can think of it this way: blockchains like Cardano and Ethereum will grow to become the basis of how human beings exchange value in the years to come. Simply put, investing in such blockchain protocols like Cardano is more like investing in the internet itself when it was created back in the 80s. Now, I know you could all be wondering right now, if Cardano is a better option to Bitcoin, then why isn't Cardano challenging Ethereum for the number 2 spot? The answer is simple. Ethereum is the largest and longest-standing smart contracts blockchain platform. So even though imperfect, Ethereum still enjoys patronage from a large list of decentralized applications built on its blockchain that are transferring value from around the globe. So let's head on over to some Cardano news. A billion-dollar cryptocurrency investment fund FD7 just recently purchased a $380 million worth of ADA. And this purchase was made using funds converted from their existing Bitcoin holdings. The said transaction was completed on Thursday, March 4th. This move results from a previous announcement by the firm sometime in late February regarding its interest in Cardano's ADA and Polkadot's DOT tokens, adding that they would be converting a total of $750 million worth of Bitcoin for this. Now let's take a quick look at the chart. So this chart for us is really such a classic textbook chart. We traded lots of charts like this in the past, and we've seen this so many times. And it's actually quite pleasing for us to see, and I'll show you in a moment why it's trading like this right now. As we know, the Merry hard fork was released on the 1st of March, and we've had absolutely nothing negative with regards to that, which means the integration of the Merry hard fork into the Goguen mainnet happened, and it happened without a glitch whatsoever, which is extremely good news. Even though the week that followed after the Merry upgrade was accompanied with the price falling off. Well, what we can do is take a look at Cardano's run of over the last few weeks and months. Cardano has had some phenomenal growth, going from 40 cents up above $1. So a pull-up is actually expected and very, very natural. So in actuality, this is not a downtrend. If you look at the two yellow lines, that shows the path for price. And you can see the moving averages there and the FIB pivots. And this is absolutely within the uptrend still, so we've just had a couple of pullbacks. We know that there's news coming out with a lot of different launches on the Cardano blockchain, such that other tokens can be launched on it. So about the price prediction for Cardano, the medium-term price that we're looking for is $5, if the Goguen mainnet goes without a hitch. This is simply because the Goguen mainnet will incorporate smart contract functionality, and that would put it on par with Ethereum, with lower fees. Which means that Cardano will be a direct rival to Ethereum. So if you want to build a decentralized application, if you want to do any DeFi on a platform, you're going to choose the one with the lowest fees. If Cardano can provide the same functionality with a lower fee, then it will attract investments. Now, the reason I've set the price to a $5 mark is because that would take it on par more or less with Ethereum's current market cap. In closing, we'd like to remind you that the purpose of this video is specifically to meet subscribers' informational needs. It's not financial advice, hence not an endorsement of any service provider, blockchain product, or particular service. And again, remember that all trading involves risks, as is common with cryptocurrencies. Again, this is cryptocurrency forecasting, so always keep in mind that these predictions are based upon personal opinion and not entirely a certainty. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but a crypto enthusiast like yourself. So always do your extra work before you buy into any cryptocurrency. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to CryptoLine by hitting the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications by hitting the notifications bell if you haven't already done that. And don't forget to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to get to them ASAP. Good luck and happy investing.